Hi, this is Sarah. We're here at Quilt Week, and my big tip for you today is how to achieve the look of free motion quilting, but actually using some little tools to help you get really perfect boundaries, spines, guidelines, that type of thing. So right here you can see where I've quilted a heart-shaped feather wreath, and what I actually did was I used my heart-shaped ruler to set where that center heart shape is for the wreath spine. Then I use my water-soluble marker to give myself boundary lines. Everyone needs boundaries. And also to help mark where I'm going to curve in my wreath plumes. So in the end, it looks like I just free motioned a heart-shaped feather wreath. No one would ever know that I actually used a ruler. I used markers. But seriously, use stencils, use rulers. Use things to help you get that perfect free motion finish.